right, so let's talk about how we can save favorites to your account. So if you go to any of the lesson chapters, right, where you see the video, you can just simply click on the Add Favorite button, right, and then you see that it's going to come up and it's going to then say remove favorite. If it says remove favorite, that means that the favorite was saved. Okay, so this accompany yourself using this simple pattern. All right, so now if I come back here and I go to my dashboard, you're going to see I have one saved favorite. I can click on it here, or I can also scroll down and I can see my favorites right here. Only the first 3 favorites are shown. This makes it so that your dashboard doesn't get unruly on you. So you could click in here, and then the great thing is you can click on either the lesson name or the course name. So if you want to get to the lesson, click on that. If you want to get to the course, click on that. Anyway, you can click on Save Favorites, and then you get, again, to this whole listing page of all of your favorites. Again, click here to go to the course, or click there to go directly to the lesson. And of course, you can just click here and you can go ahead and delete that favorite. If you click OK, it will delete the favorite from your account. All right, so now I can go back to dashboard. Let me go back to browsing courses, and let me go back into, let's take this beginner chords triads. Okay, and then I'll go into this how to create triads. All right, that would be a good one. I can simply add a favorite. It's going to say remove favorite, and then maybe I go to this triad exercise and I can do exactly the same thing. Go ahead and save favorite. All right, and I can get back to my dashboard, and now here are my favorites.